I don't understand why.
It's just weird, you know? It's just weird. Like, I just feel like our parts don't go together.
There are only two parts that matter, and I think that there are hearts. And I didn't think of that term, but I find it pretty poignant that it does. When something rhymes by accident, then you know it's straight from God. Look, Pete.
Yeah, Marissa?
I love you.
I just don't know if I can say that. I mean, I don't know if I am emotionally capable. I'm not a dog.
Then maybe you should go. Then maybe you should go. I'm sorry.
Where am I supposed to go?
I don't know. Go anywhere. Go somewhere where you're capable of feeling. Maybe. Pete, if you can't love me, then what am I wasting my life for? Yeah. Every night when you go to bed, I turn on Bonnie Raitt.
I don't know what that means.
It means I sing that song about how I can't make you love me if you don't. Oh, can't make your heart feel something that
I'm sorry I'm not worthy of your love. I'm gonna go on a trip and try to find myself. Hopefully when I come back, I can appreciate the love, the pure love a human and a dog can have.
Be safe, Pete.